Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a keto, low carb, raspberry, chocolate cheesecake. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the keto, low carb, raspberry, chocolate cream cheesecake. There are 4 parts of ingredients. For the first part, you will need 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/3 cup of butter, which I will melt in the microwave for 30 seconds, 2 tablespoons of powdered sweetener, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom. For the cream cheese layer, you will need 1/2 cup of heavy cream or whipping cream, 227 grams of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. These are the ingredients for the chocolate layer. You will need 1½ cups of heavy cream or whipped cream, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And for the third layer, you will need 1½ cups of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, 2 tablespoons of powdered sweetener, and some raspberries. And this is how your raspberry chocolate cheesecake should look like. And who said you can't enjoy desserts for keto or low carb? And just to mention, it's my husband's birthday today. I'd like to wish him a happy birthday. And he's also the co-producer of Assyrian Dishes. Happy birthday! Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!